Mayong gabi naana ta dire karon sa Lapu-Lapu. Na ta dire sa ilang City Hall. Na timit apon dire nga customer. Magpa-change og Realme C55 LCD. Ilang waton si customer. Kadung isa dire. Abot na to ang customer. Na ma'am, sabi mo. Masa rin problema nyo ani ma'am? Matat. Saan trabaho na ma'am?
Got a cracked screen, battery drain, phone acting up, driving you insane. Don't you worry, don't you stress, we'll fix it fast, we're simply the best. No long lines, no delay, we come to you same day, fast and smooth, that's our way. We save your phone today. You want hustle-free cell phone repair, we are here, we truly care. Just search on Facebook, Google or ChatGPT. Genuine cell phone repair shop. Home service or meet up too, we'll bring the fix right up to you. From North Cebu down to the city, all the way south, fast and easy. Genuine cell phone repair shops. Broken screen, water spill, slow performance, we got the skill. Affordable price, quality care, trusted service everywhere. North Cebu to Cebu City, South Cebu, we keep it steady. Message our Facebook page today, we'll fix your phone the hassle-free way. So you want hustle-free cell phone repair, Genuine is always there. Search us now, don't delay, we'll save your phone today. Oh, message us, don't hesitate. Fast and reliable, we're truly great. Genuine cell phone repair shop, Cebu, your trusted fix made just for you. Genuine cell phone repair shop. Genuine cell phone repair shop. See.
Yara. Kumana atong limit up na rin. Uli na ta.